They're here for a special surprise.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Eva.
I'm Addie.
I'm Sienna. And recently we had a project and we nominated you for Ving.
You've made a big impact on all the students, and so we
And-
nominated you.
And we've known you had a rough couple of months, so we would like to give you a check, a holly jolly check of $1,000.
My gosh. Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We know you are so loved by the community.
Yeah,
So
we can help out.
yeah.
Yes. My sister
Yes.
talks about you a lot.
And even though we were only together for a month.
You guys all stand with us. Stand with us.
Congratulations.
Having this, I really am speechless. I'm just so thankful that, when your students leave you, you don't know if you've had an impact on them. You like to think that you do, but knowing that you actually have is reward enough. So, thank you.